Hello, everyone. I'm Justin. I'm really excited to tell you about Sparsity, the world's first universal acceleration layer. With Sparsity, you can run real-time execution on all blockchains. I've spent my whole career making software go faster. To me, speed is the currency of computing. The more speed you have, the more features you can buy. From that perspective, blockchain developers are really the poorest among all, because blockchain is slow. That's why my teammate Charlie and I decided to team up to solve this problem. I've done parallel computing research at MIT and have built performance systems at places like Google, Microsoft, and NVIDIA. I was also the head of threat intelligence at CertiK, leading a team of 20 analyzing blockchain attacks in real time. I have the expertise to make blockchain go really fast while keeping it secure. Charlie was the designer of the original Call of Duty game series, and he was the head of games at Polygon. He also worked in top-tier game studios like EA, Activision, Mythical Games, and Yuga Labs. His games has shipped to 180 million players worldwide, generating $5 billion in revenue. He has first-hand experience on why there is such an intense need for real-time on-chain execution, and also this tremendous product potential that can be unlocked accordingly. Sparsity is designed around this cool concept called ephemeral rollup that we first invented last summer. Our ephemeral rollup is basically a small blockchain that runs over a period of time and is then torn down. With this technology, any application from any blockchain can delegate a workload to Sparsity, have it execute in real time using ephemeral rollups, and then settle back to the original blockchain with proof attestation. Let's look at one example. Here are 4 players playing a fully on-chain game without using Sparsity. The game runs slowly. Every step costs gas. This is not acceptable gaming experience. This is the same game played by using Sparsity. Look at how smooth that is. And it's gasless. At the end of the game, the result is settled in a single transaction on-chain. This is really great fully on-chain game experience. Sparsity allows the developers to compose ephemeral rollups using dependencies to build really complex software. The developer can use patterns like MapReduce that was well tested in Web 2, but was previously not possible in Web 3. And this further allows you to scale the throughput of blockchain really easily, by 1,000 times, 1,000,000 times, indefinitely. Let's look at another example. Here is an illustration of 10,000 players playing a fully on-chain, real-time MMORPG. The game is cut into cells, with each cell running on an ephemeral rollup. On the right side, you can see how this collection of rollups can settle on-chain simultaneously in the shape of a hash graph. In this hash graph, every vertical column is a rollup, and every horizontal arrow is a bridging between the rollups. One question I got asked often is, does Sparsity use zero-knowledge proof? The answer is Sparsity provides a full spectrum of validation models, allowing the developers to make informed trade-off to strike a balance between performance, security, scalability, and the developer experience according to their own needs. Sparsity unlocks really exciting opportunities, such as running the Grand Theft Auto game on-chain. And not just the game world, but also things like 10,000 non-character players played by AI agents on-chain. We actually have an AI agents demo with many AI agents that will release soon. We're also finalizing terms with a leading sci-fi IP with 50 million global audience. It will be the first AAA on-chain game. Sparsity has a strong network effect. As more demand onboard to Sparsity, the platform scales up, leading to lower latency, lower cost, and better security. This further drives demand. While we're making great progress in building out our ecosystem across a number of verticals with diverse partnerships, we are planning to release the DevNet targeting this year and focus on customer development next year. We're ready to start talk to investors shortly, and we're always looking for strategic partners. You can reach us through these links. And please join us to make this real-time experience magic available to all users on all blockchains. Thank you.